bracket is installed in the car. Computer, power supply, inverter, router. The inverter's mounted. The wireless router I have to do, gotta clean up some wiring here, but all in all, pretty happy with it. This will really make the computer stable inside the car now. I was test driving and I would hit some bumps in the road, you know, just a normal vibration would cause the computer to reset the way I had this set up before. So had to create this custom bracket. This should take care of any of those kind of issues now. So I'll do another road test. Maybe I'll do a video. Stay tuned.
Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Hit subscribe to stay updated with my latest content. For those who want to dive deeper and even try making the projects that you see here, consider joining my Patreon community. As a member, you'll get exclusive access to all the files, models, and code I use in these creations. Join me now at patreon.com/thecrazymad scientist and be a part of the adventure. Your support means the world.